Welcome to K Samadhi coaching topic number and numeric system. Okay, in the first question, the difference between the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using digits 9, 7, 0 and 4 is. Okay, now for making greatest 4-digit number we have to write the digits in descending order. Okay, descending meaning big to small. That 9, 7, 4, 0. Okay, now for a small number first you write 4, then you write 0, 7, 9. Okay, now they are asking difference. Now I am doing subtraction. Here 10 minus 9 1, 13 minus 7 6. Here 6 minus 0 6, 9 minus 4 5. Okay, now which option is there? Option D. Okay, now option D is our answer. Thank you for watching.